Hello my people, welcome to my channel today. So these are the bag that we have made so far. That's the front side. So we're going to complete it today. So these are the handles that I'm going to use. All those ones are the ones that I'll add on the handle of the bag. All those ones here. Yeah, we'll add all of them. All of them are so important to me. Then I'll also be adding the belts. That's the handle for the bag. This one will involve also, and this one is the main handle for the back. So I'm going to go ahead and trim it out. So I'm going to cut all of them at the same way. I'll show you other ones. This is the zip side of the back. All these are the handles that I'm going to use. This one is already sold handle that I'm going to use also. This is one of the back side, that's the front side of the back. This one also is here. All the other things that I'm using on this one is inside here. All these ones. Let me show you. This is the round body of the bag. This is the back side of the bag for the two. I see. And this one is the zip side of the bag. Very good so that I will not be looking for one while sewing it. This one is for this. This one's here is for this. And this one also. So this is the back side for the two. Then for this one now, this one is back side and this one is zip. Everything is here. Ready to sew this one's here. And this one is for this. And this is the zip side of the back. And this one is the one body of the back. So this one is complete. So I start from this one to sew all of them together. Let's go ahead and be joining all of them one after the other. So coming at this place, that's the handle of the bag. I will cover the edges to make it look beautiful. So I'll cover the edges of these handles. Let me go ahead and do that now. So these are the handle for the bag. All these are the handle for the bag. So just design this way. After sewing the handle, the next thing I will do now is to add the handle on the back. These are the back that I'll add the handle on. So let me go ahead and add the handle here. Add the handle for this back. For this one now, I'll measure from here to here. That's 1.5 inch. That's where I'll add the handle. So I'll go ahead and add the handle this way. I'll add it here. And I'll add this one here. So after adding it this way, I'm supposed to add this one as well here. So I will use this and cover here this way. So this is how it will be after sewing it. It will be this way. Then I'll put it aside. And then go ahead and add this. Like first of all, in the middle of this one also. Can you see the difference? I'm adding this here. And added this one here.